Guys, we're back at Yugen. Takot yarn! Hi!
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up.
Guys, tulog pa yung
Yeah, it's like a boy around days on the back of the school bus, making up us, wanted to grow up, but now
Guys, nabili kami ng bread. Ang choice na bread. Ano yan? Okay lang.
Ano to? Kiss mo naman. Isa lang.
So yummy! Guys, we're back at Yugen. Hi! Daily dose of coffee.
Sabi mo? Pakiyaan tayo sa FB. Ito picturean ko lang.
So pretty!
so cute.
Gutom, luminom sa lang. Ayun ba yung sinasabi?
Guys, we're on the way to Patapat and Little Batanes. Are you guys excited? Guys, nasa Little Batanes na kami. So, eto yung dadaanan nyo. Mag-hike kayo. Mag-hike, hike. Hangin nyo, tingnan nyo ang flowing dress ko. It's so nice. Super honey! So be careful guys, baka kasi matangay kayo. Be careful!
It's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me.
We're here na guys at Patapat. For Castle Ridge.
Back into reality. Following the lines on your cheek. 'Cause baby, in your absence I've been falling, so I'll never leave.
Fragrance of Miguel.
It's easier to love, oh, it's easier to love, oh, easier to
Dapat
oh,
na kami guys, ay kanin. Our lunch. Mine is yan. Kay B. So big.
Ano to? Ang concept?
Achara. Guys, kalamansi. Ang lito. Kalamansot.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go.
Guys, we're here at Hana
Take
Beach.
me home. With you, I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing
Guys, nasa saod lang kami ulit.
and I'll wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much.
Just your simple love and it's everything. Walking to
Babek.
the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds.
Baka matapang na naman yung kulay.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your
So pretty! We're done.
on rainy days.
Ganda guys sa ilaw.
your company.
Ganda na sunset.
Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. Can't imagine living life alone.
If we were to go separate ways.
Cheese corn. Ito guys, the best.
Okay na?
Nasa yung yema?
Nakakayatagat mo lahat. Tindi, no?
Wow,
Sabi niya parang may kulang. Malaki pa.
Wow, tikoy!
Hindi mapakali si Bea. Kung ano uunahin.
Ano to? Ano to?
Kain naman na yan, hindi ko rin alam.
Masarap.
Tigyan ko sa almond vintage.
Hindi ko sa attorney.
Ano to? Hindi ko maintindihan yung lasa.
Kaya nga lasang kahoy. Hindi ko alam kung ganyan talaga ng lasa.
Guys! It looks so yummy! Bang!
Ah, may kadiri to? Kasi ano na tayo. May Gcash payment ka ba?
Hap!
Hmm.
Taste this!
Hindi Hindi naman naggagas.
Guys, we're on the way to Bigan!
We're happy. Ay, kala ko nagpa-vlog ka. Ay,
Oo nga, nagbablog ako. Wala
para
masyadong cheese yung ano ngayon. Yung kailan last day ko na.
this is so yummy.
I like this!
Ayun,
Ayoko na, nasakatan pa ako, kakakain naman.
bigas.
Masabog ang yema.
Sarap.
Sarap nga ng yema.
Sarap. Ayan, yung bilihan ng longganisa.
Isang lalaki ko lang.
Guys, we're almost here. At tulog pa yung dalawa sa likod na para bang... Guys, tulog pa yung dalawa. Nandito na kami. Ganyan talaga pag nag-anli ka. So nice, it's so nice. I'm gonna show it to you. So, ito yung streets nila. It's so nice, oh. Ang ganda, right? Ayan, ito. Our driver, si Sagat, and Ate Len.
No parking.
I'm gonna retouch lang. I'm gonna put some lippy.
Na para bang ayaw nila gumising.
Share ko lang yung ginagamit kong lippy. This is from Vice Cosmetics.
Yung background niya, yung dalawang
So
tulog.
blush and so upset. Ganito siya itsura niya pag morena ka. So nice, right?
Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that
So nice.
you found the beauty goes much deeper. Once you get to meet her, you see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so
So nice. Ayan yung pasalubong center nila. So ayan, empanada. Hi!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that her features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Ice cream.
Something that her features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Guys, ayan yung si Chakoy. Super yummy yan. 3 for 100. Guys, ang dami na namin na-try. Nag-walk lang kami ni Vic. Gusto ko yung marang nila. Cute! Meron din sila mga silverware. So cute. May nilang abubots. Look, ang gaganda ng painting. Ala, I like this one. Cute. For your cute outfit. Guys, so ang dami nilang artwork. So nice. Ano siyang surplus ng vintage. They have cabinets. Dami. Ang dami nilang
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it's like upon me, I remember days
like pag tapos na.
numbers game, 'cause I still feel the same. The only thing that's changed is that I've lived a few extra days. I know that it's just time passing me.
Guys, ganito yung itsura paggabi. Yun. Daming chairs outside.
Still be childish. 'Cause now life's
Mr. Kat, so yun yung Cafe Uno. Nakita ko din yan sa TikTok. Ayun, ang cute oh. Giving medyo mapangki lang. Kasi yung ihi ng mga kabayo na amoy. Ay, so cute oh.
little me put in older version, dealing with a few extra burdens, 'cause nothing's certain. And 2008, the baby's
So nice.
I'm getting older, but was really
Guys, super ganda.
the only thing that's changed is
Nagpipicture pala si Victor.
Yeah. So nice guys to walk. So ganda. Nakita ko din yan eh. So nice.